The Learning Time A+ program is helping parents around the world face the challenges of early childhood education. Our mission is to help children excel by getting access to the best early learning products and provide opportunities for mothers, teachers, and career persons to make a substantial income, promoting the program among people they know and more. An opportunity like no other.
I am an educational consultant with Learning Time.
Learning Time is all about helping children excel and for empowering the people who help do it. And that's different from any other company. Learning Time products are not available in retail stores. Our team of professionally trained consultants is the only source for anyone to get our products. And they are directly delivered to homes under warranty. Do you fit in? Do you have a sincere love for education? Do you have good communication skills? Do you want to explore a new opportunity with unlimited growth and earning potential? Can you spare 4 hours a day? If you answer yes to all 4 questions, you are the person we look for.
The best decision I took in my life was to quit my corporate job and work as an education consultant.
Make money, travel to exotic places, have fun, experience personal growth and fulfillment, working at your own pace, in your own time. What is life at Learning Time?
It's worked on my personal growth, made me financially independent.
I've taken a lakh home by working in Learning Time.
I got more than 10,000 Ghana cedis as commission.
I've been with the company since 2007. What I like most about Learning Time are the travels and conferences.
And best is that you're sponsored.
We have been a distributor of children's home education products here in Pakistan for over 17 years now.
Our job is to make a difference in the way early childhood education is imparted, most importantly, all over the world. You can well and truly make a difference by becoming a part of our team of learning consultants. And this doesn't happen anywhere else, nowhere.
And one of the lessons I have learned is to value the early learning for children.
Learning Time is a place to begin.
Join us and become a learning consultant. You don't need previous sales experience. Grow from learning consultant to regional manager. You decide where you want to go. Your performance will decide how far you go.
I have started my career as an education consultant and now I'm working as a unit manager in Mumbai.
At Learning Time, we are always looking for people willing to work for just 3 to 4 hours a day, are motivated and have a raging desire to succeed. Our part-time opportunities are ideal for full-time mums who can work while the kids are at school. Age, educational qualification, or previous work experience does not matter. We create the best environment where you can learn alongside the best teammates you've ever had. At Learning Time, you are not a cog in a big machine. Your work is significant, meaningful, and has impact on lives, children's lives.
I've seen a tremendous improvement in his academics, in his exposure, in his vocabulary, and his communication.
What could be bigger than this?
You can manage your home, you can spend time with the kids, and you can also earn an extra income.
ना सिर्फ मैं अपने घर को मैनेज कर पा रही हूँ, बल्कि करियर पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस है.
Si j'ai envie de compagnie pour gagner l'argent, tu travailles, tu fais progrès dans la vie. Learning Time is the best you can join.
It has been an amazing journey.
And I'm enjoying every second of it.
مش هتبقى محتاجة تجيب له أي حاجة تانية لو هي جابت له البروجرام ده فعلا، لأن هو هيبقى perfect.
Purchased the Learning Time Impress program for my son on the customer bonus plan and I got it absolutely free.
So come and join us.
Come join us. Come and join us.
Come join us.
Be part of our team. Join us. Get in touch at learningtime.co